What's up, guys? Just thought I'd do a little review on the Carhartt 18-inch working bag. I love Carhartt, but they don't have any review videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one of my own for whoever's interested in buying it. So far, I've had this for like 2 months. I highly recommend it. It's got like that durable Carhartt jacket material, so it's very hard to rip. So last long. And yeah, it's got like a hard bottom shell. Apparently it's waterproof. I haven't really put it to the test yet, but I'm sure it'll hold up. Or either way, I'm not gonna fucking put my bag in and put them. Yeah, it's got lots of pockets. Pencil holder, you can put your triangle there. You can hold a surprising amount of tools also. I'm just an apprentice carpenter, so I don't have like a lot of tools, but it could hold a broken hammer. My best tool I have, honestly. Knee pads. This leaves a lot of pain. Got a saw in there. Can definitely hold a lot more. It's just I don't want my bag to be too heavy. Got some 2 net pockets on the side. Fit my oscillator tool, a drill. And if you're like an electrician with a lot of pliers and stuff, I'd recommend it also. It's got a lot of pockets on both sides, all around. Lots of pockets. But yeah, I think I picked this up for like 170 Canadian, which is pretty expensive, but definitely worth it. Because I don't want no Husky or DeWalt like everybody else, you know. So with this, it just looks really nice. I love it, and it's really durable. Plus, it comes with like this heavy-duty strap with metal clips and a protection pad. So yeah, check it out, Carhartt.